What up, folks? How's it going? This is Avis here, and welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. Let me share my screen. Okay, so today's interview question is: what is the difference between a SonarQube failure and a quality gate failure? And explain quality gates from your project. So let's understand what is quality gate. So let me go to my SonarQube dashboard. So here I have on a GitHub demo project, which I have already demonstrated you in another video. So you can go and check that out. And in this project, there are a couple of vulnerabilities, bugs, code smells. I have intentionally introduced this kind of issues in that Python program. And SonarQube has detected all these issues. Okay. Now we can see all the issues listed here, like password detected, code smell, and here the list of issues. Now, let's say we have one critical bug, one blocker bug, and 100, let's say, major bugs. So now we have to decide whether we are going to deploy or not, or whether we are going to pass the build or fail the build, right? So because for that we need a quality gates. Quality gates will say that there we will define the condition, right? We will say that okay, if there are any issues in the new code, then we are going to fail, or if there are no blockers, no critical bugs, we are going to pass it, right? So these are the conditions we can set in the quality gate. So quality gate is a set of conditions that determines whether code is acceptable for release or not. So build success does not mean quality gate success. So your build may be successful, it's able to compile successfully, but it's not meeting a quality standard. And quality gate means that is the minimum standard we have to meet before we can deploy or release, or we can move it to the next stage. So application may compile successfully, but SonarQube can still fail the pipeline. So based on the quality gate results, pass or fail, SonarQube can fail the pipeline. So for example, our quality gate was no blocker vulnerabilities, no critical vulnerabilities. Coverage should be more than 80%. Duplicate code should be less than 3%, and no new bugs. Right? So they are the conditions. If these conditions are met, then only it will say pass, and that message will be sent back to GitHub action. Developer commits code, then GitHub action triggers or Jenkins pipeline triggers, and then scanner runs. Scanner uploads the data, collects the data from the code, uploads it to the SonarQube server. SonarQube analyze it lists all the issues, then check the gate. What is the minimum quality criteria? If it is meeting, it will pass. Otherwise, it will fail. So here, let's say coverage is 65%. So it will fail because minimum criteria is coverage. So code coverage should be greater than 80%. Now, what is the difference between analysis failure and quality gate failure? Analysis failure means analysis itself is failed. You are not able to run this scanner, or maybe scanner is not able to upload to SonarQube. The scanner, you are not able to run the scanner means maybe some version issue. There may be some scanner issue. If scanner is running fine, then it may not be able to talk to SonarQube server. Maybe token is wrong, so authentication is failing. Wrong URL, IP address is wrong, so it's not able to communicate with the server. So server is down. Maybe it's behind some firewall or proxy or something, or for some reason it's not able to upload a report. So because of that, SonarQube is not able to generate. So analysis itself is failing. So one example could be error happened because it's not authorized. Quality gate failure means what? Here analysis is successful. It's analyzed successfully, uploaded the results to SonarQube. It generated the report. In the report, it says rules violated. So it's issuing the code, right? So that quality gate failed. Their analysis is successful. So here in this, you will be able to see it. workflow, in the GitHub workflow, you can see that all these are successful. Means analysis is successful, but there are some issues in the code. SonarQube dashboard will show a lot of issues. But here, this scanner itself failed. You can see red one. So here, SonarQube scanner itself failed because the project is not matching. Project name is not there. So authentication key, everything is fine. All these issues are, none of these issues happen. Token is fine, URL is fine, server is not down, there is no scanner issue. But the project name, which was configured in the properties, that was different. Because of that, it was failing. So because of that, analysis failed. It can be project key also. Project key is different, or project not created. Project not created also not be. So because of that also it can fail. Right? So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you again in the next video.